Get ready with me for Eid with MCoBeauty. Priming my crusty lips with the pH lip balm, hydrating face primer. Primer actually visibly smoothed out my skin. The instant contour ones, I'm using the underpainting method because it's the best way to ensure your makeup looks really flawless. In the shade medium dark, we are celebrating Eid al-Fitr. It's the end of Ramadan. Bittersweet because we don't want to see Ramadan go, but at the same time, Eid is such a beautiful time with your family. Going in with the instant concealer in the shade medium buff concealer. 10 out of 10. This concealer is crease proof, it's waterproof. You gotta look crazy before it all comes together. The Hydro Glow oil-free foundation. It is buildable and it literally just blurs imperfections. But how stunning is this coverage? Highlight and Glow Beauty Wand in the shade Blush Glow. I'm gonna add more because I love this shade so much. The Invisible Matte Long Lasting Pressed Powder in the shade Translucent. Look at the difference. Insane. Adding even more glow with the Silky Smooth highlighter. Sensational from every angle. This yesterday from Woolies. It's jewel-ended liner in the shade Black. Add in the MCoBeauty Pout Gloss in the shade Tickle. I'm gonna set my face with the Ultra Lock Makeup Setting Spray. This is gonna make sure that the makeup doesn't smudge, crack, or move anywhere. Thank you guys so much for watching my Eid Glam Luxe for Less look with MCoBeauty. Eid Mubarak to everyone who celebrates.